Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the number one mistake that most people make when building an online business. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the number one mistake that most people make when building an online business. So most people, when they go on to build an online business, what they do is they try to do everything. They try to, and like this is like, I'm talking about this from experience because I was absolutely one of these people. I started building a YouTube channel because that was always my main point, like when I really started going into affiliate marketing. So even though I had some other things going on before that, but with affiliate marketing, I wanted to do that, so I did that. And then, I built an Instagram page. Then I built, a Facebook group, and, I was spending some time, on other forums, on, everything. And basically that's what I did. I did everything. And especially, like, even if I was, taking some photos for Instagram, building my, like, everything, my thumbnails, everything like that. And I think that most people are like that. I was one of these people doing that, but so many people absolutely do that all the time. So what people do is basically they spread themselves too thin, and if you're one of these people, that's okay. Most people do that. But you really want to focus on one thing, because even the people that have success with that at the beginning, because I know of people that, started off like right from the start and they blew up, like literally, like they got, so many views, so many subscribers, so many sales, everything that they basically wanted. But, after like 2, 3, 4 months, they just, stopped posting everywhere, not only on their YouTube, but, on their Facebook groups, because they have several ones, no, they didn't post on their, courses that they had, everything like that just stopped, like, basically overnight, even though they were posting really consistently at the beginning. And, my opinion is that they were spreading themselves too thin, and, they just got burnt out. And, you hear about this a lot on YouTube, about people burning out, because they were trying to do this every day. And that's something else that we can talk about in this video is, if you're posting every day, just like I do, you don't want to film videos every day, because, unless you're like Gary Vee, where, you just can't live without doing that. Like, basically, if you film a video every single day, you're going to get burnt out. But you can put out videos every single day without filming every day. For example, I only rarely film on weekends. The times I filmed on weekends, if, when I'm behind my schedule, I do film on weekends. But other than that, most of the time I film multiple videos every day of the week. And then, the weekend just flies by and I don't have to film any of the videos. So that's, all my videos are filmed really in advance, so that way I don't have to deal with that problem. So sometimes I do fall behind schedule because, some days, things come up and I can't film every day. And that's another reason why you don't want to film every day. Because if you do, you're always going to be behind schedule. And, the day that you can't film for whatever reason it may be, then, you can't, like, there's no video coming out. But if you film a video if you film multiple videos every day, that is when you are going to be able to, like, put out consistent content, and know like that you're going to put out a video every single day no matter what. And yes, sometimes you will fall behind schedule. That just happens. It happened to me not long ago, but that's something that you have to deal with. And just from there, film 3 videos and then you're 3 days ahead again. So that's, you know, two reasons basically. I really wanted to talk about the one mistake of, you know, people spreading themselves too thin, because that's, you know, what people do a lot of the time. But, you know, you also have to, you know, beware of the future, like the close future I'm talking about, of, you know, maybe tomorrow something might happen and you won't be able to film a video. So, it doesn't really matter what it is. You know, sometimes you get a call where you have to go somewhere. You know, if you have kids, you have to pick them up. You know, it doesn't have to be like a huge deal, but it just makes it so that that day you can't film a video. So you really have to be careful about that. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I know it was a short one, but you know, I really do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, because we're going to come out with some new videos with some crazy content very, very soon. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.